This 2015 Big Bubba's Trailers 101 by 27 gooseneck flatbed trailer 14K2 ramps pop-up is a Deckover flat deck trailer. It is located in Buhl, Idaho, 83316 and is offered for sale by Idaho Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Big Bubba's Trailers is 27 feet 0 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Big Bubba's Trailers 101 by 27 gooseneck flatbed trailer 14K2 ramps pop-up is 4,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Idaho Trailer Sales.